Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine. Welcome to my channel Ideas Lounge. Today I'm going to prepare a very special, very tasty and very easy recipe, very cheap recipe, Masala Arvi. It's very unique and very delicious recipe and very quick recipe. Let's start. I have taken 1 kg Arvi. I cutted it into long strips, long thin strips. You can see that. Now I am taking quarter cup cooking oil in my pan. Now I will fry the arvi in this hot cooking oil. Just when it changes color to a little bit light golden, then I will take out it from the oil to a separate bowl. Yes, now I am taking it out. Don't over fry it. Don't over fry it, otherwise it would be hard. Now in the same cooking oil I will add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, and now I am going to add some spices. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, and mix it. Now I add cumin 1 teaspoon and black pepper 10 to 15, and again I mix it. Just I will add some few drops of water and mix it again. Here I will add 2 tomatoes. You can see that I didn't add onion in this recipe. Just ginger garlic paste will make so much delicious recipe. Here I will cover it for just 5 minutes. I am back and check it. Yes, tomatoes are being very soft, and I will mash it with the help of spoon to make a very smooth mixture. And now I add the fried arvi in this mixture. It is a very tasty vegetable and it cooked very quickly. It's so much easy recipe and so quick recipe. Here I will let it for 10 minutes to cook on low flame. Again we come back and I check it. I add some ginger, cutted ginger, green chilies and coriander. Our recipe is ready to serve. It's very amazing recipe. Try it and don't forget to give me your comments, your feedback, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you find the notification of my new video timely. Remember me in your prayers. May Allah keep us safe. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.